dear children. Hope you all are good and doing well at your home. Myself Diksha Rai. This is your subject teacher of computer from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, in your previous video, you have already read the chapter number 2, that is parts of a computer. So my dear children, do you know that how many main parts of computer? There are 4 main parts of computer. Number first is keyboard, number second monitor, number third mouse and CPU. So my dear students, in this video we are going to do the exercises of chapter number 2 from your computer. So now let's start. Exercises. Question number A. Take the correct answers. Take the correct answer. Question number first is a monitor is also known as. Option number A is VDD. Option number B is BDU and option number C is VDU. So my dear children, in your chapter you have already read that a monitor is also known as Visual Display Unit. And what is the full form of VDU? The full form of the VDU is that Visual Display Unit. So my dear children, option number C is the correct answer for this question. Option number C. So now you can take option number C. Question number 2. Which of the following is used to hear sound stored in a computer? Which of the following is used to hear sound stored in a computer? Option number A is printer and option number B is speakers and option number C is CPU. So my dear children, do you know that what is the full form of CPU? In your chapter you have already read that the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. And your question number 2 is that which of the following is used to hear sound stored in a computer? Option number A is printer, option number B is speaker and option number C is CPU. For this question, option number B, speaker is the right answer for this question. Now we are going to do question number 3, is that a pen drive is also called a. Option number A is fire drive, option number B is flash and option number C is flash drive. So my dear children, you have already know that a pen drive is also called a flash drive. That's why option number C is the correct answer for this question. What is the question? What is question? Question is that a pen drive is also called a flash drive. Now we are going to do question number 4. Which part controls all the other parts of a computer? Which part controls all the other parts of a computer? Option number A is CPU, option number B is DVD and option number C is headphones. So my dear children, you know very well that the full form of CPU is that Central Processing Unit. That's why I'm going to again revise our question number 4. Which part controls all the other parts of a computer? Option number A is the correct answer for this question. Now we are going to do question number B from your exercise, is that fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First, A dash runs the computer for a short while even after a power cut. A dash runs the computer for a short while even after a power cut. So dear students, you can feel UPS. UPS is the correct answer for this blank. That's why you can feel UPS. Now we are going to do second. The printed copy is called a dash. The printed copy is called a dash hard copy. Hard copy. Now we are going to do question number 3. Dash are used to listen sound music. Are used to listen sound and music. Headphones. If you want to hear if you want to listen music personally, then what do you use? You know very well, headphones are used to listen to sound and music. Now we are going to do 4. Dash is inside a cabinet. CPU is inside a cabinet. What is the spelling of cabinet? The spelling of cabinet is that CABINET. Now we are going to do C. Write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. Question number first is that a pen drive is used to store a lot of information. A pen drive is used to store a lot of information. So my dear children, you know very well that this statement is true. That's why you can feel T. Second, a printer is called a pointing device. A printer is called a pointing device. This statement is false. You know very well that that's why you can feel false. 3. A mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. You know very well, you have already learned from your chapter that a mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. That this statement is true. That's why you can feel T. Question number 4. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. So my dear children, do you know that how many keys in a standard keyboard? How many keys in a standard keyboard? A standard key has 104 keys. That this statement is true. That's why you can feel false. Now please turn over the page. Now we are going to do D. Answer the following questions. A. Which devices are used to store and transfer data? Name any 3 of them. Number first is CD, number second is DVD, and number third is pen drive. Do you know that what is the full form of pen drive? The full form of pen drive is that do you know that what is the spelling of pen drive? The spelling of pen drive is that PENDRIVE. Now we are going to do question number 3 from your answer the following question. Name any 4 main parts of a computer. You know very well there are 4 main parts of computer. Number first is monitor, and the spelling of monitor is that MONITOR. Number second, mouse, MOUSE. Number third is keyboard, KEYBOARD. And the number 4 is that CPU, Central Processing Unit. Now we are going to do the last question from your answer the following questions. Which computer parts help you to listen to sounds? Which computer parts help you to listen to sounds? And your answer is that speakers. Do you know that what is the spelling of speakers? The spelling of speakers is that SPEAKER and S. So from this question, the exercise of this chapter has completed. So my dear children, your chapter number 2 has been completed. Now you will write the whole exercises of the chapter number 1 and 2. You will write in your fair copy.